Did you do this, Maddie? No, you didn't do this, Maddie. No.
Did you do it? I think you did it. Was it you?
I'm very disappointed in you. You know you're not supposed to be up there.
Who did it? Who did it? Roxy. Who did it?
Toby, look at me. You did it.
What is all over your face?
Get over here, Fritz.
What did you do?
What? Get over here. What did
You were
you do?
a bad girl. The pencils.
What? What did you do?
What is this? Look at it.
Who made this mess? Who did it? Who did this? Guilty.
Bella, look at me. Bella, was this you?
Did you eat that one too? Mike? Michael?
Did you get in the trash, Gretchen? Huh?
So I got home to this. Wonder who did it.
Did you eat the mangoes?
Bella, what is this? Bella.
Did you eat all of the English muffins?
What are you doing? Did you eat these?
What are you doing?
What did you do? What did you do?
Lucy. Lucy? Did you do that?
Tinker, what happened? What happened to your bed?
Oh, my mail. Look what you did.
Was this you? Booger, look at it. Was this you? Did you do this? Look at it. Did you do this? Was this you? Who was it?
Lucifer, what'd you do? Did you get in the trash?
What did you do, May?
Well, there goes my pillow.
Who ate the controller? Wonka. Who ate the remote control? Who ate that? Who ate that one? Did you eat that one? Is that you?
Huh? What are you doing? What is this? What is this?
Did you eat my lipstick?
Paisley.
That is God giving you a moment of laughter. Oh my God.
What did you do?
Milo, what is this? What'd you do? Look at me. Milo, look at me. Seriously? Look at me.
How the hell did you even do that? What the hell have you done? Shabu! Shabu! What did you do? Did you eat that bread? Maggie.
Major, Gracie.
Who made this mess? Who did that? So I just got home from work and they ran outside and for some reason they had feathers on their faces.
Who did this?
What'd you do over here? Hey, what's the matter with you? What'd you do? Autumn, you made a mess. You tore up your bed.
Freaking ridiculous, Cassius. Look at that guilty face. You know what you did. Look at
Chester, what is all this? What is all this? What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? Man, boy.
So what did you do? You got into the dump, and then you got the tie wrapped around your neck, so we caught you in the dump, and you can't escape.
Well, it's something to...
Anything to say for yourself, guilty dog? Of chewing up all the stuff on the floor? A little Nutri-Grain bar there this morning, huh? Guilty party? Nothing to say?
Baby, did you chew up this piggy? Did you do this? Oh, that's what I thought.
Java, did you do this? Was that, did you do this?
Oh my goodness. Who did that? Was it you or you? Did you do that? Did you do that? Did you make that mess? Oh, Chuck.
Remy, did you do this? Did you? Was this you?
Get home and this is the mess that I find. So of course, when I'm gonna go and find the guilty one,
that little dummy.
Okay, I do not understand who is guilty. Either she is or she is. Which one has the evidence?
I really wonder, Mom.
I'm just wondering which one has the evidence. Huh.
Rosie, did you eat the blanket? Rosie. Rosie, you know better.
He tore up the paper towel. And so because he tore up the paper towel, he's gonna clean it up. All of it. Nope.
Oh, Lord help me.
Where are you going? Did you make this mess? Huh?
And so I walk into the bedroom and the first thing I see is the mess. The second thing I see is this one. Stuck in his bed. And I was wondering who was making the mess. I think I found my culprit. Are you stuck, big boy? Huh? Are you stuck? You silly boy.
The evidence is in your mouth. What did you do?
You know it was bad, don't you? You know it, huh? How can I stay mad at you?